Question number 9. Diagram 6 shows the rectangle ABCD. At an instant, the value of x changes from 3 cm to 3 plus pcm. So that means the change is from 3 cm to 3 plus p. So that means the delta x is actually p. Okay, that means the change in x, it went from 3 to 3 plus p. So the change is p lah. Okay. Using differentiation, express in terms of p the small change in area. Small change in area means delta A. Okay, that's what they are looking for at that instant. So the formula is what? The formula we know is delta A over delta x equals to dA dx. Okay, so we have to find dA dx because we already have delta x. Okay, so if you want to find delta A, you bring the delta x across, so it becomes times, which is dA over dx times delta x. Okay, so we have to find dA dx. So A is what? The area is this times this. So you get 5x minus 1 times 2x. So you get 10x squared minus 2x. Okay, that is A. Then you're looking for dA dx. So differentiate. So you get 20x minus 2. Okay, so what do we substitute into the x? We have to substitute the original value of x, which is 3. So when x is equal to 3, you get 20 times 3 minus 2. So you get 60 minus 2 is 58. Okay, so since we're looking for delta A equals to dA dx times delta x. So dA dx is 58, delta x is p, so you get 58p. The unit is cm squared. Okay, next. 9b. Diagram 7 shows two lots of land. You got land P and Q. So these are the two lands. Both lots will be planted completely with the same type of grass. Okay. It is given that the perimeter of lot P, so the perimeter for lot P is 54 meters. And the area is A for the second lot Q. Area is A. Okay, using differentiation, find the value of y. So you're finding the y value such that A is maximum. So A is maximum means what? A is maximum means you must get dA dx, or in this case, wait, A is maximum, area is Q, right? So area for Q. So these are all in terms of y. Okay, all in terms of y. So that means dA dy, not dA dx. dA dy equals to 0. Okay, because A is maximum, so dA dy equals 0. Then we rearrange to find the value of y. Okay, so that is the first question. Let's do together. Question B1. So area of this one is trapezium, right? Trapezium formula is what? 1 over 2 A plus B times H. A and B is what? A and B are the parallel sides. Okay, so in this case the parallel sides are 3y and 5y. So just substitute 1 over 2 3y plus 5y times the height is 38 minus 8y. Okay, and so 3 plus 5 you get 8y, and you know what, this one we can actually just times this lah, then we can make the number smaller. So 38 divided by 2 I get 19 minus, and then 8 divided by 2 I get 4y. Okay, then if I expand this, when I expand I should get 152y minus 32y squared. Okay, so now we have equation A. Now what we have to do is find dA dy. dA dy, differentiate. So you get 152 minus 64y. Okay, So this should be equals to 0. Okay, then we find the value of y. So that means 64y equals 152. Y equals to 152 divided by 64. You get 2.375. So this is the y value. But don't stop here, because we want to make sure this one is the maximum, because they say a is maximum, so you have to check. So one easy way to check is you differentiate the dA dy. So you get d square a dy square. Yeah, do second derivative, so you get negative 64. So negative 64 is less than 0. Less than 0 means maximum. So that means this y value is will give you the maximum area lah. Okay, so this is the answer. Alright, next question, the second one. Hence determine the lot that will be planted with the most grass. So they want to find the plot, which land will give you the most grass. So that means we have to find the area. So the area we can use for the land Q is very easy. We just substitute. But for P we have to do one more step, because we don't have the area, we don't have the x value. So we need to find the x value using the perimeter. So perimeter here 54 equals to, so x here also will be x, so x plus x, and then here is x minus 1, x minus 1, so all of them add together. So x plus x is 2x plus 2 times of x minus 1. So 54 equals 2x minus 2x, oh wait, sorry, plus 2x minus 2. So bring the negative 2 there, becomes plus. So you get 56 equals to 4x. So x equals to 56 divided by 4. You get 14. So x is 14. This is 14 meters lah. Okay. So now we can find the area. The area for P, okay, is what? What is the area again? The length, x minus 1 and x minus 1 times x. So 14 minus 1 times 14. So what do you get? 13 times 14, which is 182 square meters. Okay, then we have to do for area Q. Area Q we can do from this equation, 152 y minus 32y square, but the y value is this 2.375. so just substitute, minus 32, 2.375 square. Okay, don't forget the square. So what you will get is 180.5 square meters. So from here the question is asking for what? Which one is larger, is it? Hence determine the lot that will be planted with the most grass. So in this case, which one will be more? 182 is larger, right? Obviously. So lot P will be planted with the most grass.